What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Points2shop. Sign up with the link in the description, get a bonus. This is a really good site. I'm gonna show you my balance. I've been on it this morning, and I made like $2 a little bit. Yeah, $2 cash. I made that $1 that points, that 190 or 166. I got that a couple days ago. I was trying to experiment with like another way to make money on this site, but I'm really not a big fan of it. So I was playing around with the points, but on the cash 203, I got that this morning. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. And I'm also cash out. One thing you'll notice about my videos is that when I cash out, that they're really never high cash outs, like $50 to $100, because like I'm the type of person that once I get the money, so I'm gonna go ahead and cash it out now. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm cashing out $1, $1 or $2 on each one of these sites. It's adding up to be like $50 to $100. Every single day, just depending on how much work I put into it. You know what I'm saying? Like, how you have a job, you basically have to work the entire week to get your check. You know what I'm saying? But with these, sites that are bringing to you, these sites and apps, all you got to do is go in here. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you make the money, you can cash out. And that's what I'm going to do. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what I do on this site and what I did this morning. I go over here to the earnings area, which I'm already at. And it'll show you one of the best surveys here. You see here at the top, it'll show you you can on $1.32. Time to complete 21 minutes. But like I always tell you, if you're fast at answering questions, that you can get it done less time. I'll show you some other ones: 70 cents, 18 minutes, $1.92, $1, things like that. But you go here to our very best surveys, and you see here they have 1,964 available. So endless amount of surveys. All right, you click on here, and they have high paying surveys, and they don't take that long either. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you that. Once it loads up, you just basically, a lot of these surveys like 8-10 minutes long. You know what I'm saying? See here, all of these surveys, $1, 10 minutes. But again, don't really pay attention to the time that much, because if you're fast in answering surveys, you'll get done a lot quicker. A lot of these are $1.32. Look here, $1.40, and that's 8 minutes. But like I said, getting it done in 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Just quick, easy money going down. $3, 15 minutes, just like that. So once you take one of these surveys, another one will pop up. You go through and just kind of do as many of those as you can. I did one this morning, and I did an offer on this site as well. But I mean, that's what it's about. Going here, going to trying one of these surveys. Our very best. Again, you go to earnings area, then you go to our very best. Again, I'm gonna go back, so now I'm gonna show you what I do with the offers. I just did one survey, one offer, bam, cash out, simple. Move to the next site. That's the routine that I have on most of these. And you see here the offers that they have: Offer Turo, AdGate Media, two of my favorite ones. I really do some of those. Radio One, it has some videos in here. That's how I was getting my my points. Like you see how you saw I had the 166 points. I basically got them with the videos. But really just going through and just trying all of these. Trial pay, they have some offers in there where you can earn for free, but then they have some ones that are like sign up for a trial. I kind of stay away from anything where I have to put my credit card or debit card on there, just because I want all the free money. I don't really want to have to pay or get involved in putting my card online. I want to keep that private, but it's up to you how you want to do it. But this is these 6 things right here. This is how you're going to make the most of your money on this site. Just trying these 6 things. They also have apps that you can download and get paid to download those as well on your phone. But that's what it is on this site. Just going through, doing one offer, doing one survey. If you're having success with it, try another one. But that's how I do it on this site. So now I'm gonna go to cash out. I'm gonna go to spend points. You see here they have low cost rewards. Like it doesn't. Let me click on that to just show you that real quick. Where you can cash out with like points. You can cash out points and dollars. They do not have a thing where you can get virtual points, but basically you just do the cash offers. It's basically the same thing. And you see here, if you're the first time using this site, you can actually cash out $1 with 100 points, and they will literally send you $1 in the mail. My very first cash out, that's exactly what I did. I got the $1 sent. That's how they basically show you that they're legit. And you see here some other things you can get with some points. Things like that. You can also get like Visa gift cards with the points as well. But for those of you who are interested in like PayPal, like I am, you go over here to withdraw earnings and click on that, and show you some things you can do. They got Amazon, they got virtual Visa gift card. Scrolling down, they got a Panera gift card, and there's the PayPal. I'm gonna cash out $2. I don't know if I show you my balance or not, but I do have $2.03 in there. Just got it this morning, so I'm just going ahead and cash it out, put it in my PayPal account real quick. Go ahead and withdraw that, and it'll go into like penny status. Well, I don't have enough because you have to account for that 10-cent fee. That's what I forgot about. So I'll cash out, let me see, like 190. You know what I'm saying? Because you see here, 10 cent, anything less than $10. So cash out 190. They'll take the fee out of that, and I should be good to go. And scroll to the top. It'll show me some message right there. Request withdrawal. Your withdrawal applies for instant payment. You should receive your money within a few minutes. So simple, instant payout, very quick, very easy. Just follow my routine. Go in there, do one survey, do one offer. You know, you can keep grinding or you can move to the next site, but you know, every site that I show you, that should be your routine. Go in there, do one survey, one offer at the very, very minimum, and just, you know, let your money pile up in your PayPal account. You know, continue to pile up gift cards, all that kind of good stuff. So I just wanted to show you that. Like I said, the link to this website will be in the description. Sign up, you get a bonus. Your first cash out, you know, you can cash out $1. They'll get your $1 in the mail if you want that. You can get PayPal, Amazon, anything you want. Just, you know, put in the work and you'll see the fruits of your labors. All right, so that's it for this video. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, hit the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos about making money. That's what I'm all about, showing you guys how to make free money online every single day. And the most important thing to remember is that every penny counts.